Do you have some extra space in your annual planters this year? My name is Wolfgang at Landscape Garden Centers, and I have some really different plants that you can add in to give you a little bit of texture and color for your annual pots. The first one we have today is Tanum Jewels of Opar. Really beautiful plant, gives you a splash of bright green. You have this lovely little flower that gets tall, little pink flower that turns really beautiful colors, and it works well with just about any theme or scheme that you have going on with your annual planters. This is an ornamental oregano. It smells like oregano. Really beautiful scent to add. Really cool little flower to that. It gets a little purple, and just something bright and fresh to add to the front of your pot. We also have eucalyptus. Some people think we can grow eucalyptus here, and we can in annual planters. This also adds a really beautiful smell, as well as color and shape and texture. Next, we have citronella or scented geraniums. Citronella is a really wonderful plant to add because it helps to repel bugs. Citronella does not typically create a flower, but there are other varieties of scented geraniums that do. For instance, this is also a lemon-scented geranium that has these really cute little pink flowers. If you want to come in to smell these lovely geraniums and the eucalyptus and the oregano and find the perfect plant to fill your annual planters, come on in to Landscape Garden Centers and let one of our plant experts help you find the right one.